Drop in some oil, about 3 tablespoons. Check if the oil is heated. Add in the onions. You can add in the green peas and corn as well at this stage. Stir it on a high flame. Add in the capsicum. Then the grated carrot. You can add the veggies of your choice. After stirring for about 2 minutes, we'll add in the tomatoes. And stir it again. Now we'll make the masala mix we would like to add. So 1.5 teaspoon of chili powder, half teaspoon garam masala, half teaspoon pav bhaji masala, some cinnamon powder, and coriander powder. We'll mix this. Add in the salt now at this stage. Salt as per taste. While putting the salt, always make sure that you do not put too much because cheese and bread both has salt. We'll close the lid now and allow it to cook for 2 minutes. We'll open the lid and grate some paneer, as much as you like. Add some cheese. We'll add some cheese later as well. That's it. Stir it. Turn off the flame. Stir it well so the paneer and cheese gets distributed. Now we'll take the bun and So 3 ways this way and 3 ways this way. Now I'll fill in the masala or the veggies in between. So we'll fill the gaps in this way. Now in a bowl I have taken 2 tablespoons of butter with 6 or 7 garlic cloves. Mix it with coriander, and then just sprinkle it around. Grate some cheese again. This is optional. You can just skip this step. Now these buns are ready to go into the oven, which is preheated at 180 degrees for 5 minutes. Now our buns are ready. We'll drizzle some oregano and chili flakes.